are here with Alan Fenstermaker, owner, builder, driver of the Earthquake, who's getting ready in the next 40 so minutes to set the world record 42 car pyramid crush. Alan, I know this has been something you've been working on for 5 years. It's come up, it's come down. The stars aligned perfectly, the right people got involved, and here we are today. 40 hours later of building, painting, setting up. What's going on with you, man? How you feeling?
Nervous. Yeah, the bugs are getting to me, but you know, I've done this before with the 20 car pyramid, so I have 10 times the truck I did back then. I'm a much better driver now, and I know what to expect. We've got the pyramid set up where it can't possibly fail, knock on wood.
Yep.
And we're just gonna go for it and see what happens.
The butterflies turning into, you know, I mean, what's going on? And I know I'm nervous for the whole thing that it's took so long to get together, and it's amazing. I mean, I know this is all for benefiting our veterans at the September 10th and 11th show and all that, and we're doing the free run without the interference of others. Mm-hmm. And I know you're going to redo it on the 11th.
Yes.
I mean, anybody who even can spell monster trucks has got to be excited. We've had a lot of people showing a lot of interest in giving you the attaboy, and God bless you and congratulate you, man. I personally, probably going to tear up. I am so happy that this actually, to be a part of it, and it's actually coming true to you, because I know it's something that you built this to do. Not only hit cars and crush cars, and on behalf of everybody, thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, it's been something I've been wanting to do since the beginning. When we did the 20 car 5 years ago, I wanted to do this, but we just couldn't round up the cars. I actually bought every single car that was in that 20 car stack, and even at junk prices, that was a lot of money to come up with. So for Bruce and the Adventure Farm to get behind us like this, it just means the world to me, and we can do it.
Yeah, I mean, thanks to some great sponsors, Ball Savage, R Salvage, Sudsies, we spelled his name wrong, Gabe's Fix It, Payless Salvage. I mean, all these people just got together, the whole community's got together.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
I mean, you've had people come out of the woodwork with trailers and help, and just wanting to be a part of it, to see your dream come true. It's freaking amazing, man.
Yeah, I'm overjoyed. Like I said, I'm blown away by the support, because it means that much to me, and I just wanted to thank everybody again.
Absolutely. Come on out September 11th, 10th, and 11th. We're going to have 8 great trucks here. It's going to be a heck of a show, car show, monster truck show. Some crazy guys are going to do that again.
No.
On the 11th only is when I'll do the pyramid again. But it's going to be a great time. Come on out.